Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are like baskets of stocks. They offer instant diversification, making them a cornerstone of savvy investing. Imagine buying a single share that gives you access to hundreds of companies. That's the power of ETFs. One of the most powerful ways to use ETFs is through a core and satellite strategy. This approach brings balance and flexibility to your investments. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation and the freedom to add your personal touch. This approach lets you build a portfolio that reflects your risk tolerance and financial goals. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned investor, ETFs can be your financial allies. Let's dive deeper. Your core portfolio is your investment bedrock. It should be built with ETFs that track broad market indexes like the S&P 500 or the MSCI World Index. These ETFs provide exposure to a large number of stocks, reducing volatility and providing steady growth over time. Think of your core portfolio as the foundation of your financial house. It needs to be solid and reliable. These ETFs are like the bricks and mortar, providing stability and resilience. A strong core portfolio helps you weather market storms and sets you up for long-term success. Remember, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to building wealth. Now let's add some excitement. Satellite ETFs are where you can get specific. Think sectors like technology, healthcare, or emerging markets. These ETFs allow you to capitalize on trends and opportunities that you find exciting. Satellite holdings are like adding your personal touch to your home. You can choose colors, textures, and styles that resonate with you. Similarly, satellite ETFs let you personalize your portfolio based on your interests and convictions. Do you believe in the future of renewable energy? There's an ETF for that. Are you excited about the growth potential of artificial intelligence? There's an ETF for that too. Thematic investing is about tapping into long-term trends shaping our world. Think of trends like clean energy, artificial intelligence, or the rise of e-commerce. These trends offer immense growth potential, and ETFs provide an easy way to invest in them. Imagine investing in the internet boom of the 90s. Thematic ETFs allow you to participate in similar transformative trends today. It's about identifying opportunities and positioning yourself for future growth. Remember, thorough research is key. Understand the theme, its potential, and the ETFs that track it. Then, ride the wave of innovation and watch your investments flourish. Section 5. Generating income, ETFs for steady cash flow. ETFs aren't just about growth, they can also provide regular income. Dividend ETFs invest in companies known for sharing profits with shareholders. This means you can receive a steady stream of passive income, even in retirement. Imagine owning a piece of hundreds of companies paying you rent. That's the power of dividend ETFs. They provide financial stability and can supplement your income during your golden years. Remember, not all dividend ETFs are created equal. Look for ETFs with a history of consistent payouts and strong underlying companies. Then sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your investment. Section 6. Keeping your portfolio in check. Rebalancing. Just like a garden needs tending, your ETF portfolio needs regular maintenance. Rebalancing involves selling some assets and buying others to maintain your desired asset allocation. This ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your risk tolerance and goals. Think of rebalancing as pruning a tree. You're trimming away the overgrown branches to allow for healthier growth. Similarly, rebalancing keeps your portfolio healthy and prevents any one investment from becoming too dominant. Rebalancing might seem tedious, but it's crucial for long-term success. It forces you to sell high and buy low, locking in profits and capitalizing on opportunities. Section 7. Bringing it all together. Building your ETF portfolio. Building an ETF portfolio is like putting together a puzzle. You start with a clear picture in mind and then carefully select the pieces that fit. Your core holdings are the corner pieces, providing stability, while your satellite holdings add color and excitement. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors, geographies, and themes. This reduces risk and increases your chances of success. Start by defining your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Then choose ETFs that align with your investment strategy. Section 8. Your journey to financial success. Investing doesn't have to be intimidating. ETFs provide an accessible and efficient way to grow your wealth. By embracing the strategies we've discussed, you can create a portfolio that is both rewarding and aligned with your financial aspirations. Remember, knowledge is power. Continue learning, exploring, and refining your investment approach. The world of ETFs is constantly evolving, offering new opportunities for growth and income generation. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies in our upcoming episodes. Together, let's unlock the full potential of ETFs and pave the way for a brighter financial future.